Okay, here are 4 Lennox air conditioning units at a commercial place in Iowa City, Iowa. Here's this one. And this is a Dave Lennox signature collection unit. That's interesting. They have swept blades too. That's cool. That's a 5-ton from 2005. And here's this one. Yeah, these have swept blades. That's pretty interesting. I didn't think Lennox used swept blades from these units, for these units. And that one's the same thing as that one. Here's this one. That's a 3-ton from 2005. And these units have their own compressor in their separate compartment, so I'm not really sure what kind of compressor they have. I guess they probably have Copeland scrolls, though. And then here's this unit. $5-ton from 2005. But yeah, just like a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.